An all-time low has been reached in the availability of Shiba Inu. It is really insane. In an instance, around 33 trillion Shiba Inus disappeared. All of the goods were bought by the whales. Findings from the Shiba Inu study were really interesting. Who knows? Maybe that 1 cent dream will come true sooner rather than later. What is going on? What exactly am I talking about? Permit me to elucidate. Here at Wealthy Coins, we are pleased to provide you with Shiba every day. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Subscribe if you want to know what's happening in the cryptocurrency market and get the most up-to-date news predictions. Click the like button to receive more Shiba news. It looks like the Shiba Inu society is having a good day today. The situation is finally improving after a long ascent effort marked by daily price drops. Today, Shiba Inu experienced an upward movement, which is in contrast to its usual downward trend. Considering the current challenges, it is a notable improvement, even though it is not a huge leap. The mood has already started to change because of this small change. A more optimistic vibe is permeating the community, and even investors who were nervous before are feeling more secure. There appears to be a temporary relief from the tremendous volatility that has been causing widespread alarm. Shiba Inu shows signs of stability when looking at the price changes over the past week. Its location is being maintained as it oscillates violently. Holders are granted a much-needed break by this. Today appears to be a gain after a string of steadily declining results. Surprisingly though, Shiba Inu still stands firm, refusing to join the crowd, even while other meme currencies crumble. The real twist is right here. The Shiba Inu's value might skyrocket by 500% in the not-too-distant future, according to a crypto expert. We shall delve more into this assumption later on, but there are significant indicators regarding the current Shiba Inu supply on exchanges that support it. Stability has been maintained, leading to a rush of positive momentum, following the breach of a substantial resistance level. Participation is on the rise, as is the amount of trades and the level of excitement among participants. This bold prediction is being made by whom? One of the most well-known figures in the Bitcoin industry is Javan Marks. He has made up his mind. He predicts that Shiba Inu will experience a meteoric rise in popularity very soon. After breaking beyond that level, Marks emphasized in a recent article that the Shiba Inu price has exhibited strong indications. After the token had been in a long period of consolidation, he showed a price chart that showed a turning moment. Instead of falling, it is staying put for the time being, which could mean a bigger shift is on the horizon. Meme coins are a way of describing the Bitcoin market's notoriously unpredictable price swings. The future is completely unpredictable. The signs are looking good for Shiba Inu right now. A fascinating future might be on the horizon if this prediction pans out. Hold on a second. I do realize that the 50% prediction is already quite remarkable. Nevertheless, let me explain something that is far more astounding. Recent data on the availability of Shiba Inu is shocking, according to new research published today. This is a discussion about really massive numbers, the scale of which was unexpected. You won't want to miss this, so stay to the end because I will explain everything in detail afterward. Let us start by talking about the recent dramatic uptick. A major change in the quantity of Shiba Inus has been reported by analysts. To be honest, it is mind-boggling. When over 13 million Shiba Inu were suddenly and permanently made inaccessible, a critical indicator increased by more than 50,000%. This increase caught everyone off guard. It is not just arbitrary, it is substantial. A single transaction erased about 12 million tokens all at once, and the burn rate reached an all-time high in the past 24 hours. At the same time, Shiba Inu prices spiked over 10% before leveling out slightly. There needs to be a community-wide conversation about this, because of the high value and the intense burn activity. The situation is likely to become highly interesting going forward, considering the quick reduction in supply. Here is the issue at hand though. A more major incident is also happening at the same time as the present wave of flames. There is a dramatic decline in the number of Shiba Inu available on marketplaces. That is quite hopeful. The reserve amount of Shiba Inu tokens has hit an all-time low of 93 trillion tokens. There seems to be less tokens available for trading compared to earlier. Holders are unwavering despite months of price volatility. As if they knew a major event was about to happen, People are taking their tokens off exchanges and storing them safely, rather than selling them in a frenzy. Even a little drop like this is significant. There has been a precipitous drop in stock. Binance, Robinhood, and Coinbase are home to about 16% of the whole Shiba Inu supply at the moment. As time goes on, the number drops. It is common for prices to rise when supply becomes extremely limited. Quite a bit has changed, much bigger than the average person realizes. According to past trends, substantial price swings are likely to occur when a cryptocurrency's availability on exchanges keeps decreasing. Here we are talking about major developments. The methods we're going over have the potential to make regular people into millionaires and drastically change their lives. Let that sink in. There is a growing shortage of Shiba Inus, as there are only around 93 trillion of them left on exchanges. There is going to be a shortage of tokens if demand comes from institutions, whales, or private investors. As a result, expenses can skyrocket. Investors going through tough times can see this as a chance to get their money back. A large sum is also involved. Once upon a time, Shiba Inu had a meteoric rise that made millionaires overnight. With supplies falling, the next rally might be even bigger than the ones that came before it. If past events are any indication, it is possible that Shiba Inu is gearing up for a major reduction in supply. Early market participants, who were able to hold on to their investments, may soon see massive gains. This suggests that some people are ignoring this opportunity, while others are covertly hoarding tokens in the hopes of a major breakthrough. Due to the present shortage of Shiba Inu, price fluctuations might be extremely unpredictable in the event of another rise. But the most surprising thing is that the Shiba Inu group has revealed that the breed might reach a value of 1 cent. Sure enough, you're absolutely right. All of this is based on wild speculation by random business people. This is directly relayed by the group. According to Lucy, who is in charge of marketing for the Shiba Inu environment, it is possible to achieve a value of 1 cent over the lifetime of a Shiba Inu. This goes beyond mere wishful thinking. Lucy has stuck with the Shiba Inu project since its inception in 2021. It is not a matter of if, but when. According to her, that the token would have promising future possibilities. The fact that an insider is openly talking about this suggests that big things are about to happen, even though she claimed it wouldn't happen right away. Things become more interesting now. Concurrent with the release of this monumental prediction, the supply of Shiba Inu exchanges plummets to all-time lows. Am I imagining things? Might they have access to knowledge that the general public does not? Rapidly dwindling supplies coupled with the team's proposed lofty price target make it hard to ignore the bigger picture. Such a situation has transpired previously. The price can skyrocket if demand increases and exchanges run out of tokens. Early owners and patient investors may enjoy dramatic rewards if Shiba Inu approaches 1 cent. That might be a lot of hope. Reserves of foreign currency have hit an all-time low. Both the squad and the long-term backers are speaking with conviction. The world might be in for a surprise at the next Shiba Inu demonstration, if this is indeed the beginning of something big. Presenting yet another ludicrous example, something that an analyst has said lately has gotten a lot of people talking. His conclusions from his exhaustive examination of the cryptocurrency chart are nothing short of remarkable. According to him, a bullish crossover has just occurred in the cryptocurrency market. He is quite certain that the cryptocurrency season is just around the corner. If you're well versed in cryptocurrencies, you're aware of the consequences. The market becomes chaotic when altcoins begin breakouts at the same